How to create a QR code for a Google form. So in this example, I'm going to use one of the pre-made links up here, but you can follow this with your own Google form after it. Let's do a contact information. Once here, press up here, send, and then send via link. This will pin the link to your Google form. Let's press copy. Now, Google don't have a built-in QR code generator, so we'll have to use an external one. Let's search up QR code generator. It'll be this one up here. Let's press it. And paste the link you just copied. Control V. And there'll be your QR code right up there. You can use a couple of these templates up here to give it a little more flair, but once you're happy, just press this, download. Wait for it to download, be a little patient. And that's your QR code downloaded. Let's do this one more time. I'll use another form. This time, let's do a party invite. Again, up here, send, this button, copy, QR code generator, delete the old one, paste in the new one. That will be your QR code. Let's download it. And that's how you make a QR code for your Google form. It's as easy as that.